Hi, Liana here from Cain Realty. As your local agent, I want to talk to you about a few things that you can do to get your house ready for this winter season. It is very important for you to winterize your home, protecting it from future damage and also securing your energy costs. You can hire a professional or DIY it. Either way, let's get to it. Starting from the top, you'll want to inspect your roof and your attic for any damages. Next, you'll want to inspect your gutters and remove any clogged leaves. Standing leaves can collect rainwater and cause damage all the way down to wood rot, and nobody wants that. There are a few ways you can clean out your gutters. You can hire a professional, or you can do like most people around here, blow out the leaves with an air blower, and then get a water hose and stick it down the downspout to get all the sludge out. Another great thing you can purchase are gutter screens. Gutter screens are just that. They're screens that go over your gutters and keep leaves from getting stuck. The next tip is to take care of your HVAC system. You can have a professional come and check it out, but on a regular basis, you'll want to continue to change the air filters. As you change the air filters, it will maintain clean air coming into your house and hopefully keep your HVAC from working so hard. To avoid freezing pipes, we purchased this faucet cover, which easily slips right over your faucet and keeps it safe from any freezing. Another very important maintenance tip is to keep an eye on your fireplace. If you have a wood burning fireplace, it is very important for you to make sure that the chimney is clean and cleared of any debris. If you do not use your fireplace, there is a thing called a fireplace balloon in which can be inserted to keep that nice and tight so you don't lose any energy up your chimney. Windows and doors can be our worst enemies when it comes to energy costs. Replace any damaged weather stripping and install a door sweep to keep drafts from coming in. Every good real estate agent has a list of professionals. If you need help winterizing your home, call me at 903-216-4154 and I will be happy to connect you.